Hi everybody, Nikki O'Nose here, and I'm here to talk to you guys about the top 3 reasons why attendance matters. Number 1 is academic success. Number 2 is social development. And number 3 is routine and structure. Number 1, academic success. Regular attendance is linked to a better academic performance within your child. So as students who attend school regularly as well as consistently, they are more likely, you guys, to understand the content and material being taught. They're more likely to participate in discussions and collaborations and group projects with their classmates. And also, they're more likely to complete assignments on time. Number 2, social development. Attending school regularly truly helps children develop their social skills by solely interacting with their classmates and their peers, you guys. And that includes also their teachers. So they're able to form friendships. They're able to learn about teamwork. They're able to learn their communication skills, properly how to disagree. These are important social development skills, and that comes from attending school regularly. Number 3, routine and structure. Consistent attendance, you guys, truly provides children with a sense of routine and stability. So in that part right there, just the routine and stability, you guys, is really essential for their emotional well-being, and it helps them to develop their good habits and develop good routines just so they can be successful throughout life. The whole goal, you guys, is to really cultivate lifelong skills that are going to truly help them and prepare for their professional lives. We want to make sure, you guys, that our students are ready to meet deadlines, that they're well structured, and that they're going to be ready because they already know they've already been on the grind of showing up every day, having that grit, having that resilience, having that mindset that they have to push through when days are hard. And it comes from attendance. One thing I want you guys to really know is that when students miss school, you guys, it is so overwhelming to return the next day because all the work that they didn't complete, most of the time they're held accountable for. And then the other thing is whatever they've missed, the teachers do not go back and reteach the whole day's worth of instruction. The teacher may reteach and recap and do a review, but I'm letting you guys know, parents, the teacher is not going to go back and reteach 6-7 hours of what they did the day before. So unless somebody's really sick or they've passed away, please plan your vacations. Please plan your little fun trips, your excursions around school days, you guys, because I'm telling you, when a child or a student misses school, you guys, it is so hard. And sometimes it really works against their academic success, their social development, and that sound routine and structure as far as education. So I thank you guys for listening. If you guys get the chance, please make sure that your child or children do have great academic success. And half of the battle, you guys, is just bringing them to school so they can show up on the school days. Because like I said, even though the teacher may be doing like a reteach, recap, or review, I'm telling you, parents, they're not going back to reteach that whole day the next day. So I thank you guys so much for just working collaboratively with your school, and just working together as a team for the overall success of your kiddo so we can really help to grow the overall child. It's not just how smart you are, it's who you are as a person. So that's why we try to balance out academics and emotional well-being because they both matter. And together we can do this. But half the battle, you guys, is just showing up to school. So thank you, parents, so much for your listening ears. I appreciate you. Nikki O signing out. If you get the chance, please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 600 subscribers. It would be awesome. Thank you. I appreciate your time. Have a great day.